Hey guys and girls, in this video, we're going to take a look at the best headphones for kids. I have made my research and this list reflects my personal opinion, and I have listed products based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we may have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The products mentioned are in no exact order, so be sure to stay till the end so you don't miss anything. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the headphones for kids in the video, just subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and leave a comment with the hidden word in the video. We will pick a winner and notify him when we reach 5,000 likes. And don't forget to register with your email address on the page linked in the description so we can contact you if you win. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best headphones for kids on the market right now. Coming at number 6, we've got the Belkin SoundForm Nano 2. If your kid's been begging for earbuds, these ones from Belkin are the ones you want. These little buds are designed specifically for kids ages 7 and up, so you can skip the stress of wondering if they're too big. And with volume-limiting tech built in, these earbuds keep sound at safe levels for their little ears. So no jamming to Olivia Rodrigo at eardrum bursting levels. I like that they come with multiple ear tip sizes, so we could find the size that fits comfortably. My daughter used them while cleaning her room and said she didn't have to adjust them the whole time. Another added bonus, they're water resistant, so they can survive spills. I wouldn't take them for a dip in the pool, but spilled water bottles in the same bag won't be the end of these earbuds. And they come in fun colors kids love, which may even make them take better care of them. We can hope, right? That said, these earbuds are tiny. Like, you'll never find them under the couch, tiny. The case is also smaller than pocket-sized, which is great until it goes missing. But if you're game to keep track, they're a solid option that'll keep kids happy and their ears safe, so you can finally say yes to the "Can I have earbuds too?" requests. Coming in at number 5, Belkin SoundForm Mini. The Belkin SoundForm Mini headphones are a small but mighty solution for younger kids with, let's say, petite heads. When other headphones slide around or make preschoolers look like pint-sized DJs wearing giant cans on their noggins, these headphones actually adjust to their size. Plus, they'll actually stay put while your little one rocks out or gets a serious case of the wiggles. Sound-wise, they're a solid choice for kids' headphones, and these have safe volume levels for kids. And here's the part my son really cared about: the stickers. These headphones come with a set of fun stickers so kids can personalize them to their heart's content. Bluetooth is easy enough to set up without tears or tantrums from you or your kids, and they've got a battery life of up to 30 hours, which means no sudden meltdowns mid-road trip. Added bonus, they're also waterproof, so if their headphones have a run-in with their water bottle, they should keep on working. While they aren't as comfortable as other headphones we tried, they do feel sturdy, and the ear cups have nice padding. So if you need to pick headphones for preschoolers with tiny heads, big personalities, and zero patience for headphones that don't fit just right, these are a great choice. Coming at number 4, JBL Tune 770NC. When it comes to finding headphones that can keep up with teens and their non-stop playlists, these are the clear winners. Their active noise-canceling feature gives teens the perfect excuse to say, "Sorry, I didn't hear you calling me for dinner." But here's where the annoying mom nagging comes in. When my son goes for a run, I insist he switches on ambient aware mode so he can hear what's happening around him. The sound quality is top-notch, but the volume limit is higher than what's recommended for kids. You'll need to remind them to keep the volume down. If you've spent any time with teens, you're already really good at telling them to simmer down, so this task should come easily. They'll get up to 70 hours of battery life without ANC. But with ANC on, it's 44 hours, which is still great for my teens who forget to charge their tech. These headphones are big, but in a way that fits teens perfectly, with large, cushioned ear cups that make long wear feel like nothing. Both of my teens said the headphones are lightweight and really comfy. The combined volume track controls are kind of a bummer and makes it way too easy to accidentally change a song instead of adjusting the volume. Cue the teenage eye rolls. If your teen's headphones don't last more than a few hours or don't deliver the sound they want, these are definitely the upgrade they need. Number 3, JLab JBuds Play. For the gamer in your life, these headphones might not help get them a higher score in Minecraft, but it does have a great microphone, good sound quality, and volume-limiting controls. While most of the best headphones for kids feature a microphone built into one of the ear cups, the JLab JBuds Play takes it a step further with a retractable boom mic. It sort of gives a Twitch streamer headset mic vibe, but I like it. This design allows kids to extend the microphone closer to their mouth for improved voice clarity during online learning or when gaming. They can then retract the microphone back into the ear cup, which will still work in that position. It's a clever design that's present in some high-end gaming headphones. There is a quick mute button on the same ear cup as the retractable microphone, so they can easily silence themselves if necessary. Use them with Bluetooth or in wired modes with up to 22 hours of battery life. The power and volume buttons are really close together, and my 5-year-old often pressed the wrong button when powering off. Also, the volume button is also track navigation, which led to him skipping songs instead of adjusting volume. Not a deal breaker, but it definitely annoyed him. While these headphones don't come with tons of bells and whistles, what it does offer is pretty impressive and makes it a great option for kid gamers. Coming at number 2, EarFun K2 Kids. If you don't want to spend a small fortune on headphones, but you still want safety features and great sound, add these headphones to your cart. The sound quality is surprisingly impressive with the EarFun K2 Kids headphones, and the headband is fully adjustable so it fits heads of all sizes. Another great feature: these headphones fold up. Since kids will stuff them into their backpacks whether they fit or not, the headphones are more likely to survive the trip to and from school folded up compactly. They've got an impressive 40 hours of battery life, so kids can listen to their favorite music for days before needing to recharge. I liked that they shut off after 5 minutes of inactivity to save the battery, and that there is a built-in microphone. While the EarFun K2 doesn't offer ANC, my kids said that the over-ear design does help to reduce some surrounding noises. These headphones have 2 volume-limiting modes, 85 decibels and 94 decibels, but it's a little too easy for kids to switch over to the 94 decibels. They just need to hold down the plus and minus buttons at the same time. Since anything over 85 decibels can be harmful to your kids' hearing, you'll want to check the volume when you hand over the headphones. But for older kids, definitely show them how to adjust the volume safely. Not only do they sound way better than their budget price lets on, but the comfort and look of the headphones will make them a winner with your kids. Number 1. Puro Sound Labs PuroQuiet Plus. These headphones for kids check off every must-have feature, from stellar sound and volume-limiting tech that protects their ears and your peace of mind, to kid-friendly controls and an adjustable headband that fits every head size. So if you have a preschooler with a tiny head or a teen with giant noggin, they'll find these headphones comfortable, and they'll dig the stylish look too. Also, they're durable. I've seen what kids do to headphones, like shove them under their bed or toss them onto the kitchen table. We bent and folded them and put them in the hands of my 5-year-old, who is basically a tiny tornado, and the headphones still held up. Here's what my kids liked the best: active noise cancellation, ANC, because it blocks out the noisy environment around them. My daughter was wearing the headphones while doing her homework, and she wasn't distracted by our dog barking or her siblings breathing too loudly close to her. I really like ANC for sensory kiddos that need to give their ears a break from the random noises at home or when you're out and about. These headphones work with Bluetooth and have a 30-foot connection range, but can also be wired when kids need to be plugged in, like for school or when their battery dies. Heading out for a family trip? I was able to daisy chain, meaning connect multiple devices, so 2 of my kids were watching the same movie quietly. I could actually hear myself think until someone needed a snack. With a solid 35 hours of battery life, these will last through road trips or listening to endless YouTube videos. These headphones deliver safe, quality sound, and you might end up wanting a pair for yourself. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best headphones for kids. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one. And if you liked this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.